name is Samantha Johnson, and I'm a support coordinator.
My name is Devin Pennypacker. I work with Fairfax County Support Coordination.
The most meaningful part of my job is that I can feel valued and able to provide resources, supports for the individual and families that are in need.
Most meaningful part of my job as a support coordinator is being able to coordinate the different services to find for my families and really seeing the family come together and have that family system get the support that they need.
Some of my day-to-day responsibilities are reviewing my caseload, documentation, making phone calls to my family and individuals, and driving to various locations, most likely to the day programs or the residential or other facilities that are needed.
I mean, there's a lot of day-to-day responsibilities. We spend a lot of time making phone calls. We spend a lot of time going out and seeing our clients face-to-face, checking on their services, seeing how they're doing. And then the other about 50% of the time, our responsibilities are documentation, paperwork, making sure that their ISPs and paperwork is in order.
One of my favorite stories is one of my individuals was an isolative person, and he did not want to go out into the community, and he was provided a companion service, and his companion was able to support him, and he obtained his learner's permit and is now practicing driving and waiting to obtain his driver's license. The most challenging part of my job is I have some individuals with maladaptive behaviors, and that can present barriers for them to be provided opportunities.
The most challenging part of the job is really maintaining balance between the paperwork and seeing the individuals that you work with. We have a lot of time management constraints, so we're having to do a lot of paperwork and balancing that.
The attributes for a support coordinator I recommend are for them to be empathetic and to treat the individual with dignity and respect.
The big attributes that anybody who wants to be a support coordinator should have, time management is huge and critical because we're balancing a lot of deadlines. We have face-to-face deadlines, we have ISP deadlines, so big time management aspect. And then there's also the person-centered part of it where we need to be empathetic and understand our individuals and our clients and meet them where they're at.